we need to so this is a screen connection. That's gonna be a 2-in-1 computer. That's a laptop. It's an HP Envy with bad screen. The screen is cracked. That's gonna be an HP 15 x360. So this is a very easy repair. It shouldn't be that hard to do. So anyway, we're gonna start. Let me start my other camera. Right there. Looks fine. So this is the one we have right now. These are very easy to do. A lot of people is afraid because they're touchscreen, they're very thin, very fragile. But in this case, it shouldn't be that hard. So for that, we're just going to use a couple of screwdriver. And a little blade. Screwdriver. So for that, we're going to do this one. Like I said, it shouldn't take that long. So we're just going to start through the edge over here. And see so we're going to start with this one right here. Let me see if I can find Alright, so I just wanted to find my other video to make sure I'm showing you guys the way. Alright, so you have my anti-static band so we don't shock any of the components, especially because it's winter time and it's very dry. Anyway, so we are going to start doing this. We use the little blade, and then we are going just right here, and then we're going to lift the screen. So it'll be very easy to do, just like that. Hope you guys can see it. And then we start from there. Over here. So you will see the gap right there. And then just go around like that. So just very careful because there are some connectors under it. And then now that we have this one right here, we just go through the gap down here. Just like this, just going around, and then you can see the inside of the screen. Just like this, going around, and then just going around. Okay, like I said, you gotta be careful because there's connectors inside that you don't want to damage. So don't go too fast. Take your time and always do some inspections if it feels like it's taking a long time. In this case, this cable right here, so that one we are not going to. So we want to try to pre-open the screen from up here. From the top, pulling down a little bit. Just to make sure, just go around slowly. Just like that. And the screen should come off right now, just like this. Okay. You see there's connector, that's going to be the connector right here, and there's some other connectors. Okay, so we have to be careful about it. I mean, this screen is bad, so we don't have to worry about it. This is where the LCD connector goes. Always be careful when you remove these connectors. Now this one is the touchscreen feature. I'm not sure if that screen comes with it, so we'll compare it in a little bit. There's like a little latch right here, and then once it's we just lift the latch. Oh, there's a sticky stuff in there, so now we are able to pull up, and this one goes down. Alright, so we have this one right here, and this is the screen. That's easy enough. And this is the one we are installing. It looks very similar. The connectors are a little bit different, but they should work. There we go. As you can see, connector, 30-pin connector looks like, and that's it. So we are going to now install the new one. Same way, we are just gonna do it from here. Make sure it's nice in place. Connect the LCD right here. So nice and in place. And then now this one we are to connect it. So we lift the little latch right there. Make sure it's nice. The connector goes inside. Alright, so it has a line right here where the connector should be. Pull the latch down and the sticker down, and then now we are going to test it. Okay, very simple to do. Let me grab my charger for that one. It's a very simple repair. Connected. Hopefully we don't have to. Alright, computer is powering on. Should see the image. Boom. we got the image right there. You can see it's a little darker, but that's probably under the settings. The battery was totally dead, so it's trying to adjust the settings. So alright, so we have maybe like done this in 20 minutes. Alright, so we have the Windows stuff in there, operating system. So at this point it looks good. We're just gonna make sure the connectors are nice and in place here in the back, and then alright, so we have that. We have the nice family pictures from a customer. Touchscreen works. Shut it down. Shut down. So I just did all the touchscreen, so it's working perfectly. Alright, so now right now it's shut down. Remove the power cord, and we're gonna make sure it's nice and in place. Okay, so lift the screen. These cables sometimes they move out of place, so you gotta make sure they are in the nice track, otherwise you might end up pinching them. In this case, this one alright, so I'm not sure if this one needs to go under that bracket. Looks like it should go in there. Let me check the other one. Unless the old one is different. Yeah, no, that's right. It needs to go under this little plastic. Like I said, always take your time and make sure you are doing it right, otherwise you end up pinching your cables, and if you were doing a repair and if you're not careful, you will end up with a different issue. Alright, make sure your connectors are on all the way in, and they should be good to go. Alright, we just start from the top. So all the clips that hold the screen together, as you can see, there's no glue, there's no nothing in there. Be careful when you push down, don't force it. Everything should sit properly. If you do it right, it should go without pushing that hard, because the screens are super fragile, very thin, and they might break if you push too hard. So just go around. You have to find the right area. You see there's like a little gap right here, so that one needs to be adjusted. Boom, it went in. There we go. A little click, a little click in there as well, and just going around. Should be good enough to do it. You can see the little clicks right there, so you know the part is in place. These screens don't come with any glue to keep them in place, So it's just, you gotta make sure it's nice and properly seated. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so we have this one right here, and boom. Close it. Make sure to push. Yeah. Everything seems to be good. Top part. No gaps. Also no gaps. Everything is nice in place. Here in the bottom. No gaps. So that's it. This is the new screen. Everything seems to be working the way it's supposed to. Touchscreen worked. Now it's gonna need to call the customer and let it stop by for his laptop. So this is a quick repair for you guys. If you like it, if you like this type of content, follow me. Check these videos, check me online. I'm located in downtown Appleton, Wisconsin. The name of my company is IT Evolution. I do computer repair, desktop repair, laptop repair, cell phone repair, tablet repair, video games, consoles, all that stuff. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.